Here it is.
Excuse me very much.
Some assembly required.
What is this?
Well, it's my problem-solving machine.
You cannot solve problems with machines.
Well, maybe you can.
No, you can't.
Let's check it out. Okay, let's find.
Fine.
All right. So, when you're having a problem or a conflict, you have all kinds of uncomfortable feelings, such as fear, frustration, and impatience. Ooh, but then when you solve your problem or your conflict, you have comfortable feelings, such as love, confidence, and excitement. This machine is going to help us get in touch with our feelings.
No, it's not.
Yes, it will. Everybody give me a drum roll.
There is no drum roll in today's show. Spike!
Stand back, Les. I have everything under control.
Oh my God!
Okay. Ow. And
Spike, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get in touch with my feelings.
I don't think that's how it works.
No?
No.
How does it work?
I don't know. Where'd you get this hunk of junk?
Oh, I got it at Halloween, USA.
It's a Halloween decoration?
Yeah.
Oh, Spike. Oh, man. You know what? It moves.
Ooh, what?
Oh, cool. Look. If I push down this lever thingy, the nails go up, and then look what happens. I could use this. I got an idea. Did you guys know we have different types of feelings?
Yeah.
First of all, we have things we feel on the outside of our bodies, right? Like when you fall off your bike and you scratch your elbow, or you get stung by a bee. Who's felt that before?
Yeah.
Outside feelings, wind in your hair, outside feeling, right? Sun in your face, outside feeling.
Yeah.
We're not talking about outside feelings today. We're talking about inside feelings. Feelings that go right through your skin. You feel on the inside. Feelings that happen like, like when your pet goldfish dies. Who's felt that before?
Yeah.
Or someone calls you a mean name.
Yeah.
You don't get invited to a party.
Yeah.
Grandma gives you a big wet slobbery kiss. That's an inside-outside feeling. Inside feelings are called emotions. They can last a long time. Outside feelings, they feel comfortable and not so comfortable, and they can go away. And those are called,
The bad ones are called boo-boos. For Halloween, they're called boo-boo.
Okay, take this. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
No, I think we should figure out how it works.
No.
Who wants to be a volunteer
What?
and
No,
help
there's
show how it
no
works?
volunteering in this show.
I'm gonna go to the back. Yes, stand up. No.
Man, you
This
guys.
blue t-shirt boy.
It's a bed of nails.
Hi, what's your name? Shane.
Dude.
I'll tell you something.
Get over here. What is your name? Shane? It's a bed of nails. They're 2 feet long. There's 18 of them, and you volunteered for this. Have you lost your mind? I think so. Shane, touch the point on one of those. Does that feel sharp for you? Yeah, it does. Here's the deal. In a couple of seconds, Spike is going to come back out here. She's going to ask someone to lie down on this tabletop. Shane! Do you have any idea who she's going to choose? Who is she going to choose?
My t-shirt.
Your teacher? No. You sit right there. We're bringing that up at conferences. Put your head on the towel over there, you. There you go. Slide down a little bit. Perfect. You're awesome. Here we go. Keep your hands to your side.
You okay? Lift your chin up. Lift your chin out. Look at your face.
We're going to buckle them up for safety because you know it's Michigan and you got to buckle up because it's the law. There we go. All right. Shane, can you wiggle your toes? Good, Shane. Is there anything you want to say before we do this?
His final words.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom.
Too late for that.
Oh, boy. Spike, give it to him.
Okay.
Wait. I'm starting to feel scared. Who feels scared? Raise your hand. Hands down. Who feels nervous? Raise your hand. Who feels worried? Raise your hand.
All right, enough of that. Who feels really excited?
No, there's no excitement in today's show. Not a good idea.
2, 1.
Whoa, no, Spike, what are you doing? What is going on? No!
What do you guys think about that?
Don't laugh. It's horrible. It's terrible. It's terrifying. No, Shane. Oh, you guys. Dude, can you still wiggle your feet? Wiggle. Wiggle them. Somebody. Dude, can you still speak?
Let's find out.
Call 911.
Call 911.
Oh boy, I think
messing
He
with
gets
me.
the point.
And the point is this: we all have the same feelings on the inside. Figure out your feeling and use it to make your problems go away, buddy. Swing your feet around front, swing them around front, swing them around